What's up, my royal flush? It is RJ Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing I'm going to be trying out a few new products. Not every product in here is going to be a new product, but like a majority of them pretty much is. They're going to be a new product. So if y'all want to see that, then just keep on watching. But before you keep on watching, you guys, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and join the royal flush. We are slowly growing here, you guys. We are growing. We are almost to 2K. Let's get us to 2K. Share this video to your family, your friends, your mama, your daddy, anybody that is a lover of makeup and beauty in the sense. So yeah, and at any point in this video, you guys are enjoying yourself, you guys are enjoying me. If you guys are enjoying any of these new products to me, you know, if you guys have tried them before, you guys love them, give this video a big thumbs up. And with all that being said, y'all, let's just get into this video. So first, I'm going to try out the FARSALI liquid powder. I have not tried this at all. All these products, most of these products are new to me. But I got this because of JcIngram and Beat by Deb. This shit was $54. I'm gonna do like the Instagram people do and do it like that and just. I guess it's supposed to be a barrier between, you know, your face, I mean not your face, but yeah, your face and makeup. And it's supposed to be like, be powdery. Well, turn to powder, that's what it's supposed to be. Oh, it is mattifying, that's pretty. Okay, these fucking few hair strands are pissing me off. It's definitely mattifying my skin. Let me use my fan to see if I can speed up this process. Okay, this mattified my skin. This shit's turning white as hell. I'm about to use, also go in with the Milk Blur Stick, because I like to layer my primers. Is this supposed to blur out your pores too? And I do have some big ass pores. This is turning white. You know what this kind of reminded me of? That it's turning white? It reminds me of Milk and Magnesia. Cause they do that too. What the hell? I've never tried this, but so far, everything looked pretty okay. And I'm gonna add another layer of this liquid powder too, just because extra precautions. I feel like this is about to look really cute. Like my base is going to look flawless, y'all. I really feel like that, because I cannot see my pores anymore. Like they're blurred. And I'm about to set this with a powder too. So now that I have that on, my new product I have is the Milk Flex foundation. This is the shade Cinnamon. This is too dark for me, I could tell already. Oh, it might not be. It matches my size pretty good. Okay, it is a little dark, but I can definitely still work with this. I'm gonna take my Makeup Shack T40 brush. When it comes to like stick foundations and cream products, it's best to use a brush than to use, like, you know, a sponge. Ooh, this is my shade. This is like my complete shade. This is cute. Stiff foundations are, oh my God.
Yes, bitch.
This is cute. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. This is really cute, y'all. I like this foundation. Even my friend on the phone said this foundation is sickening. Okay, you guys, for concealer, I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 13. I have been loving this concealer, y'all. And I'm going to use a concealer color that's closer to my skin tone. And use another one. I'm about to use a completely different brand of concealer. This is what I'm actually excited about. This shit broke. Well, like part of it. I'm about to just warm this up on the back of my hand just to smooth this out a little bit. And this is I guess their matte bronzer stick in the shade Blaze. The other shade was too light for me, so I got this one. It only comes in 2 shades too. Where the fuck? Oh, make it wet. So now I'm going to just bronze, I guess, with this, a cream bronzer. I'm just gonna put it everywhere, I guess, where I will put my bronzer, my powder bronzer. I'm still gonna put a powder bronzer on top of this. It's just, you know, give it a little cream. And put it on the sides of my nose. Now I'm gonna be going in with the Benefit Brow Contour Pro just to give my brows a little bit something extra, you know, and just to fill them in a little bit, those sparse areas. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to pop off camera and do a quick little cute little eyeshadow look moments, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I did my eyes off camera. I did a nice nude soft glam moment, and I am just, you know, I baked my face. I'm baking right now, and I'm taking my Sephora Micro Smooth powder, of course, on a big fluffy brush like this. This is the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH01 brush, and I'm just taking that and just bringing some color back to the rest of my face. I'm gonna lightly do it around my head. So I'm about to go back on top of the Milk makeup bronzer that I did earlier, and I want to take the, hold on, I'm gonna take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer, y'all. And I'm gonna take that and just go on top of that even more. It adds a little sheen as well, which is really, really pretty. And I don't even need to contour because that bronzer pretty much from earlier, I used that as a contour pretty much. But yeah, I really love the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is everything. I have like 3 of these. I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop blush in Drive Me Crazy. It's the Super Shock blush, just to add like a little sheen to my skin and bring me back to life, because I was looking a little crazy. And make sure you want to blend your under eye with your blush as well. I'm gonna go in with the Drawer Cosmetics Slay All Day Setting Spray in the scent Watermelon. I'm just gonna spray my face just to marry like and melt all the powders together. I like to spray it away from me first just to make sure the nozzle is spraying right, and then spray. Okay guys, so eyeshadow is done. I sprayed my face, I did all that. I'm going to go in with the Beauty Mark Cosmetics Butterfly Effect Mascara, and I'm just going to just coat them, my lashes. Okay guys, so I'm finished pretty much with my base, my mascara and everything, and my eyeshadow. I'm going to pop on some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so lashes are on. These are the B Gang lashes in the style Amore. These lashes are everything. Yeah, these are really cute. Make sure y'all use my code JHEART for some money off your Big Gang Lashes purchases. Everything about Big Gang Lashes is linked in my description. I think we almost done, y'all. It's just time to move on to lips. And I'm just gonna do my regular old lip combo that I always use. So yeah, I could just speed past all this.
Ryan Little.
So I'm pretty much done. I'm about to change and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. With everything done, everything on, I'm looking really good. This foundation is tea, y'all. I would definitely, like, let me just go off of, like, in order. Okay, and I'm about to go off of the two primers that I used today. The liquid powder and the blur stick. Y'all, I think this is going to be my new base routine when it comes to my foundation, because I look so smooth in my areas. Like, usually right here I can see some pores and stuff, or at least a few. I see nothing. Everything is flawless and just beautiful. These two together, if y'all have both of these separate, use both of these together. They're really good. So I would definitely recommend picking up both of those. That liquid powder is worth the $50. Especially if you're oily like me, it's definitely worth the $50, I would say. Next, I'm going to talk about the Flex Stick Foundation. Y'all saw me put it on. Y'all saw my reaction. This foundation is amazing. I didn't think it was going to be this good, but it is. Like, I was blending it out and everything, it just looks so flawless. It's just so like unmatched. Like, this is going in my favorite foundations, like, right now. Cause, like, my favorite foundations, of course, y'all know, are the Maybelline Urban Dream Cover, Anastasia, the NARS's, and the Juvia's Place. Those are my favorite foundations, and that is going right next to both of those, cause it took the cake. Like, it blew all those other ones out the water. Like, but that was, like, really good. Next, I'm going to talk about the bronzer stick. I really didn't see a need for it, of me getting it. I could definitely still see it up under my skin when I set my entire face. It blended out really nice. It did give me like a nice warmth to my skin, but I don't really see myself using it because I'm more of a powders girl. I love powders. Creams, you know, I feel like don't really sit well with me. But I will still use it because I purchased it, so I gotta still buy it. Next is the Benefit Brow Contour Pro. I pushed my brows up with some edge control to give that laminated look, and of course I had to go back in with this to give it like some shape and bring it back from all the powders that was on top of it. This is really good. It's really pigmented. I would say you have to use this really sparingly because it's so pigmented. So yeah, like it just looks like, you know, like an old school pen that I used to have when I was a kid. But yeah, I would say this is really good. It's just really pigmented. I would say definitely watch out for that. It's really creamy and pigmented. Altogether, would I recommend these new products that I did test out today? I would recommend every single last one of them. They are worth the price. They are worth your buck if you are going to purchase them. They're really pretty products, especially all together like this. I can't believe I tried all these today and they all worked so amazingly. Like, it was my first time trying all of them, and my makeup just looks like everything. It's just amazing. So yeah, you guys, if you guys did enjoy this video of me trying out all these new products, then give this video a big thumbs up. If you guys enjoyed any of these products, if you guys know and have any of these products, give this video a big thumbs up. And with all that being said, y'all, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.